Grand Theft Auto 6 is officially scheduled for release on November 19, 2026. This date was reaffirmed by Take-Two Interactive CEO, Strauss Zelnick, during the company's latest quarterly earnings call in May 2026. While the game faced several delays, moving from its initial late 2025 target to May 2026 and eventually to the current November date, Rockstar Games has confirmed this remains the final target to ensure the level of polish expected for the title. Key details to know. Platforms. The game will launch on PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. Marketing. Rockstar Games is expected to kick off its major summer marketing campaign in the coming weeks, with fans anticipating a third trailer and further details on pre-orders between June and July 2026. Setting. The game will take players to the fictional state of Leonida, featuring a return to a modern-day version of Vice City. Grand Theft Auto 6 is set to ignite excitement across the gaming community as its November 19, 2026, release date approaches. This long-awaited title from Rockstar Games promises to deliver the high-quality, immersive experience fans have come to expect, especially after multiple delays aimed at perfecting the game. Players can look forward to exploring the fictional state of Leonida, which brings a modern twist on the iconic Vice City. As summer unfolds, Rockstar is gearing up to launch a comprehensive marketing strategy, including a highly anticipated third trailer that fans are eagerly awaiting. This campaign is expected to provide additional insights into pre-order opportunities and the game's expansive world. As anticipation builds, players can anticipate the upcoming marketing campaign to reveal even more tantalizing details about Grand Theft Auto 6. Major elements to watch for include gameplay mechanics, character introductions, and perhaps even glimpses of the stunning landscapes that Leonida has to offer. Enthusiasts are also eagerly speculating about online modes and new features that will likely enhance the multiplayer experience, expanding the boundaries of what they expect from this sequel. With each passing day, the enthusiasm for the game continues to grow, setting the stage for what promises to be an unforgettable launch. As the release date approaches, the gaming world holds its breath, eagerly waiting for Grand Theft Auto 6 to deliver a groundbreaking experience that honors its legacy while pushing the genre to new heights. Fans are ready to dive into the vibrant, chaotic life of Leonida, promising an adventure like no other.